Hi, Scott Machine Gun Dad. Welcome back to my channel. If you see this video on YouTube, the full auto parts are going to be cut out as normal, but if you're on Rumble, you'll see the whole video. Just so there is a different video, and if you want to see more info, go to the Rumble channel if you're watching me on YouTube. If you have a Reising, the military 20 rounders was the highest capacity magazine that was available. There was the 12 and the 20. The problem is with most of these magazines, these are all World War II magazines if they're originals. The springs are shot. I find the 12 round springs are usually even worse than the 20 round springs, because the 12 round spring, since it's a single stack magazine, I swear they used a pistol magazine spring for it. It's not a submachine gun spring. But nonetheless, I have two 20s left, original 20s, that barely worked. Preferably you'd load them with, say, 15 rounds. Well, there's a company called Keystone Arms in Pennsylvania that is doing Reising parts. They're doing a new 30 round magazine, which I will have a video on that. And they are doing a replacement spring for the 20. I think it's $16.99. So what I did was, see the tape? I put one of those replacement springs in this 20. Let's take it out and try it. Let's try semi. You're chambered. Just switch. All right, you saw it running. Made this magazine completely reliable. Without a doubt, if you've got 20 round magazines, order those springs from Keystone Armory. It's a no freaking brainer. By the way, I paid full price, full shipping. I didn't get a break on these. I don't think they give a rat's ass who I am. They have a good product. Buy it. Got a Reising. Makes it a lot more fun when you're not finger fucking this stupid cocking handle because your magazine works. 20 round magazine replacement springs from Keystone Armory. Got a Reising, got 20 rounders, get some springs. Thanks for coming to the channel.